The vitamin C has got to be the most widely known vitamin these days. It is not surprising because the body needs vitamin C for over 300 functions. In fact, the vitamin C has been proved to help protect against heart disease, cancer and other serious illnesses. Without the vitamin C, the body would not be able to heal itself either. This is because the vitamin C is vital for the formation of collagen. Whenever a person has a cut or an injury, it is the collagen that helps repair the damage, and without sufficient vitamin C this would be almost impossible. Collagen has a multitude of functions in the body, including keeping the organs in place, and it would not be able to do this without sufficient vitamin C. The vitamin C is also an antioxidant for the body and helps other vitamins and minerals to be absorbed better. Folic acid and iron, for example, need the vitamin C to maximize their usefulness. The more vitamin C that the body has, the better its defense against colds, and other common ailments, and the vitamin C may not prevent a person catching a virus, but it does help speed up the recovery process. Vitamin C supplements are extremely useful to ensure that people obtain sufficient vitamin C. However, with a balanced diet, the amount of vitamin C the body receives is likely to be sufficient. However, if a person begins feeling tired or lethargic, then a vitamin C supplement will help overcome this. There is no danger of having too much vitamin C as the body simply excretes the excess.